Hello friends. Sales Masterclass, How to Sell Digital Products is a comprehensive and practical course that will help you learn sales skills in the digital world in a fundamental and professional way. The actual price of this course is around €20, but with our special discount you can get this course for free. Special discount for a limited time. So don't miss the opportunity. To sign up and start learning, go to couponfall.com now and start the course at a special discount. And get the course for free. Note that there are only 3 days left of the discount on this course. By the way, the discount coupon has been applied automatically here. Your path to success begins with couponfall.com. Start today. To find the course in its Android app, you can also go to the business category. Click on the search field and type the course title in the title field. And click on the search option. This course is also available for free in the Android app and you can use it. If you are interested in using other free and legal Udemy courses, you can check out other sections of couponfall.com. Or go to the All Coupons section. And search for the course you want. Or go to different categories. If you found the video useful, you can share it with your friends, so that they can also access such tutorials. I would appreciate it if you like and subscribe to us. Have a nice day.